Oh, yeah, there's no fucking brakes, dude.
Hey guys, Kevin from Beach Bronco here. Big day today on Blue Bronco. First start. Finally got this 363 stroker ready to go.
How you doing, Mr. Tucker? How you doing today?
Hello, how are you?
I am wonderful. I made my word for this man today. I am so pumped. So we're gonna wait for Mr. Larry because he controls the throttle. Are you ready, Mr.
I'm
Kelly?
ready. I'm ready.
Are you, buddy?
I'm ready.
Told you I was gonna do it today.
It all comes down to this Edelbrock Pro Flow 4.
Did you get you stopped out for the water?
Yes, sir. How you doing, buddy?
All right. So you pulled the key out?
Yes. This is my buddy Larry Elo. Him and I have been working together probably about the last 14 years together. So I brought him aboard. And I'm not letting him go either.
Good motor man.
Very great motor
We did
man.
have to convert him to Ford though. He's kind of a Chevy guy.
Yeah, he's a Chevy guy, which is all good.
Art Cuesta here, WireDiet.com. Couple of tips if you're doing one of these Broncos. The wiring for the Bronco. If you're gonna leave the Bronco stock, steering column, switches, instrument cluster, all that stuff, the painless Bronco specific harness is a good choice. But if you're gonna do what was done here with aftermarket steering column, I did it, aftermarket fuel injection, digital Dakota, modular system, US shift transmission, you wanna just get a generic chassis harness and then just customize it to that. But if you're going to be using the stock switches and all that, that painless has all the connectors, and that's a good thing. You want to make sure when you're doing these things that everything's going to work together. I know all the vendors will tell you, oh yeah, all you got to do is this, and everything else will just happen. But it rarely turns out to be that way. We had to jump through some hoops, and we had to jump through some hoops with this EFI. And there's certain data you have to collect on these engines before you can start them, because you have to load a base tune to get it running so the computer can learn it and fine tune it. And that's about all for that. They're real interesting projects, and this one's going to be killer.
Nice job, Art.
All right, let's start this bitch.
Amazing.
Keys are right there.
All right, you ready?
Let's do it.
More than ready, everybody. Yeah.
Oh, by the way, there's no exhaust.
Yeah, there's no muffler.
There's no
muffler,
muffler on
straight
right
pipes.
Now. Straight pipes.
We
So.
won't be talking
Ready,
to
Larry?
us, and we won't be.
What do you think about the idle?
Oh, it sounds insane. It sounds insane.
Your car shakes, bro. When you have it in gear, your car's gonna do this.
It's a ripper, man. You know this thing has 519 horsepower, 479,
76,
479
476.
foot-pounds of torque. And that wasn't at a crazy RPM either. That was at like 6,300, something like that, maybe a minute.
We stopped it at 62.
Yeah, 6,200.
Yeah, I stopped it at 62. We could have gone to 8, but we stopped it at 62, and he does have a rev limiter at 6,200 on this thing. Wow.
Right after
So
you.
we made all these custom hoses. The only hoses we didn't make are these Hydra Boost high pressure hoses, but we are making them. I'm just waiting for the right hose to come in, and we'll make it all black like everything. And then we're gonna do, Kevin, it's all gonna be like that, dude. All nice and clean, dude.
I've still got those clamps for it. You know, those kind of look like wire limbs, but they're made for that.
I'm just see how we did the AC with zip ties.
That's cool.
Yeah, I think it looks cool.
Yeah, it looks good. This will go to the catch can eventually.
Catch
We just
can,
don't
yeah.
have
It's
it.
just a breather right now.
Not in stock yet.
Yeah. Any luck with-
Everything's back ordered, dude.
Do you think this thing will be on the streets?
Now, I'm making everything in my power 30 to 45 days with everything complete.
4-wheel drive burnouts with this Bronco?
Oh, yeah. We just need to get him some proper gears, though. He's only got 373 gears. He needs to put posi in the rear. So when he does get on the gas, not just one tire spins, both.
He'll be popping wheelies is what you're saying.
Pull the left front wheel off.
We'll put the left front wheel off. If he went on a turn like this and he got on that gas, that one of these wheels will come up. You will get there
477.
quicker than you will get there from 0 to 100 in a couple seconds.
A little more fine tuning and get the exhaust on there.
You smoked out right now?
Yeah, we're smoked out right now. But we kind of had to get it to this point. And now that the fuel map's on that Edelbrock, and once we get the exhaust on there, so it has proper back pressure and stuff, that thing will self-learn as we go. So we just needed to get the basics and get all the fluids in. Still need to put some transmission fluid in. We're still just running water in the radiator. Got all the oil in there now. Power steering fluid for the Hydro Boost. So it's looking good.
There you go.
All right, guys. Thanks for
Nova
following
Dude.
on
That's
us
your
here on the
nickname
Beach
now.
Bronco channel.
Nova Dude.
We got a lot more
Sure you
cool
were
projects
playing
going. Obviously, we'll finish this up and keep you posted on that. And a lot of cool stuff happening. So be sure to hit like and subscribe.
Yes.
You got anything?
No. So you know the guy who was here?
Nope. See you next time.